What's up, guys? Back in the shop today, and we're working on the Jeep. Check it out. Oh, hey. It's me, Jason, everybody's favorite personality on the internet, right? It better be. If not, you're gonna. So what are we doing today? We are back on the Jeep. It's been a few weeks since we have done anything on it because we tend to work in circles around here to try to keep everybody happy. So what you are gonna see is, oh my God, I'm stepping over stuff. So what you're going to see today is you're going to watch Ed take off door panels, the side trim, and probably some other miscellaneous stuff that needed to be addressed before we really start getting down to the brass tacks on this thing. Eventually we're going to put new rockers on it, and you will see all that. But that's enough of me blabbing. Let's get to it.
I'm afraid of the breath of emotions. Nobody really knows which is the best way to heal. There's a dead end in no directions. Now get yourself away, I'm just having a bad day. So many things I don't want to deal with. So many medications I've tried and I found in vain. I met a wizard, I met Mr. X. Now I can feel the magic flowing through my veins. Now I'm a ghost, now I'm away. It's turning my pain into something fun. Now I forgot all about me. It feels like my feet don't touch the ground. Now I'm a ghost, now I'm away. I think I'm becoming someone else. Now I forgot all about me. Coming to myself, it's a funny place. You told me that all you could see was trash. Do you wanna see something beautiful? You told me that all you could hear was noise. Let's turn it into something beautiful. Now I'm a ghost, now I'm away. It's turning my pain into something fun. Now I forgot all about me. It feels like my feet don't touch the ground. Now I'm a ghost, now I'm away. I think I'm becoming someone else. Now I forgot all about me. Coming to myself, it's a funny place.
It's Jason. We're back again. Jeeping. Again. What are we doing today? Still really, really boring stuff. So we are going to get the pinstripes off, all this little goo from all the side moldings, the Cherokee logos, get the thing wiped down with wax grease remover to get any residue that still might be on it. We're going to try to get the fenders off, rear bumper off, lots of little not so interesting things to watch. So we're going to kind of gloss over all that and do a montage, and at some point we're going to be hanging rockers. So we get that done, you'll see that for sure. We'll do that in depth for you guys. But other than that, more tear down, very boring work. right. We didn't get as much done as we wanted on this because it's rusty. Imagine that. All the bolts are fighting. It's like 1,000,000 degrees here. Like, it's really hot. It's miserably hot. So you see what's missing a fender. We got that accomplished and some other stuff down here. But you know what? Just out of pure frustration, we're gonna take the old Squarebody out for a ride. Check it out. So we got road killed. Got a upper radiator hose that blew off. Yeah, of all things. I've never used these before and I don't know if I like him. So there's our assistant, our AAA program. We're gonna get her put back on. Fixed. You know, when you're really frustrated and it's hot and you crawl in something you've been working on for quite a while, and it pretty much works. We had a little issue out there alongside the road, but that's typical. And it's just fun. It just makes you feel good. So I feel good about everything that happened today. Feel good about this. Still not done. We got a whole bunch of little stuff to do on this that is just boring and monotonous that you might see it, you might not. I don't know. Depends on your attention span, I guess. So with that being said, I think Ed and I are going to go find some air conditioning because it hasn't cooled off one bit. It's still miserable. And once we get back on that Jeep of cutting rockers and stuff off, we'll make sure we'll show you that whole deal. And we might do some more on this guy. I don't know. We'll see. But until then, we'll catch you guys on the next one. See ya.